Then I use cheese, salt, paprika, cumin powder, garam masala, oil, coriander powder. Perfect. We're going to marinate the cheese and set aside for at least half an hour. Marination is done. We're going to set aside for at least half an hour. So we're going to use onion, 2 onion, 4 tomato, chili, garlic, cashew nuts, kaju, and ginger. After 1 minute, we're going to add tomato, salt, and turmeric. After another 3 minutes, we're going to add cashew nut and green chili. After 3 minutes again, we're going to turn off the heat. Let's let it cool down, then we're going to make a paste. Well, let's shallow fry marinated paneer. Let's saute for 3 minutes, then get back into the plate. Add a little bit of oil. Once the paste is ready, now use tricolor bell pepper, onion, cumin seed and corn seed, chili, crushed coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger and garlic crushed, chili flakes, salt, paprika, fenugreek, ambchoor powder, pomegranate powder, SF hing. Now we're gonna add cumin and pepper seed, then crushed coriander, put dry chili, saute 10 seconds, then we're gonna add SF hing, after that paprika, saute 10 seconds, then we're gonna add the masala paste. Cooking after 2 minutes, we're going to add ginger garlic crushed, all the masalas, simmering after 3 minutes on the slow heat. You can see, guys, the oil is separate from the bottom. So on this stage, we're gonna add some water, 1/4 cup of water, bell pepper, and the onion. After 1 minute, we're going to add cheese. Now we're gonna add dry mango powder and crushed pomegranate seed, and add some water according to the gravy. And fenugreek. We're gonna let it simmer for at least 3-4 minutes on medium heat. Then it's ready gonna be served, guys.
Some water.